Hey there, future medical stars. The MDCAT is your gateway to success, and I'm here to help you unlock it with the best MCQ strategies. Let's begin. So, the first MCQ is the most abundant protein in chloroplast is A. Rubesco, B. RUBP, C. Ribulose biphosphate, and D. Ribulose biphosphate hydrogenase. So, the correct option is A. Rubesco. The next MCQ is the product of photosynthesis and green plant are A. C6H12O6 plus 6O2, B. CH2O and plus H2O plus 2S, C. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus H2O plus energy, D. C6H12O6 plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is the incorrect statement of photosynthesis is A. It occurs during daytime. B. It uses water with CO2. C. It requires chlorophyll. And D. It uses oxygen. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is spectrophotometer is used to measure A. Absorption of CO2, B. Absorption of O2, C. Reflection of pigments, and D. Absorption of different wavelengths. So the correct option is B. Absorption of O2. The next MCQ is which shows the effectiveness of wavelength of light driving photosynthesis. A. Absorption spectrum, B. Action spectrum, C. Broad spectrum, and D. Narrow spectrum. So the correct option is D. Narrow spectrum. The next MCQ is conversion of light energy into chemical energy as function of A. Mitochondria, B. Cytoplasm, C. Stroma of chloroplast, and D. Grana. So the correct option is A. Mitochondria. The next MCQ is the source of oxygen released during photosynthesis is A. Water, B. CO2, C. Glucose, and D. Oxidation of chlorophyll. So the correct option is A. Water. The next MCQ is when null hypothesis is about the production of enzyme during photosynthesis was based on the study and investigation on A. Bacteria, B. Algae, C. Protonema, and D. Cyanobacteria. So the correct option is C. Protonema. The next MCQ is wavelength of blue light that is absorbed maximum by pigment. A. 670 nanometer, B. 540 nanometer, C. 430 nanometer, and D. 750 nanometer. So the correct option is B. 540 nanometer. The next MCQ is which of the following group does not use water as protein donor? A. Cyanobacteria, B. Purple sulfur bacteria, C. Plants, and D. Algae. So the correct option is D. Algae. The next MCQ is air contains less percentage of carbon dioxide. A. 0.04 to 0.05, C. B. 0.01 to 0.02, C. 0.06 to 0.08, and D. 0.03 to 0.04. So the correct option is G. 0.03 to 0.04. The next MCQ is carotenoid absorbs strongly. A. Red to orange. B. Yellow green. C. Yellow red, and D. Blue violet. So the correct option is D. Blue violet. The next MCQ is magnesium is central part of a porphyrin ring, B pytal tel, C pyrrole ring, and D hydrophobic part. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is chlorophyll consists of A. A head of pytol and tail of four pyrrole rings. B. A head of linked carbon and tail of four pyrrole rings. C. A head of four pyrrole rings and tail of linked nitrogen. And D. A head of four pyrrole rings and a pytol tail. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is following is correct sequence of energy transfer between photosynthetic pigment A, chlorophyll A, B, chlorophyll B, and carotenoid B, carotenoid, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, C, chlorophyll B, carotenoid, chlorophyll A, and D, in any direction. So the correct option is B. Carotenoid, chlorophyll B, and chlorophyll A. The next MCQ is all of the following are differences between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B except A. Chlorophyll A has different types of while chlorophyll B has single type. B. Chlorophyll A have functional group CH3 but chlorophyll B has CHO. Chlorophyll A is necessary pigment, but chlorophyll B is accessory pigment, and dichlorophyll A is present in antenna complex while chlorophyll B and our reaction center. So the correct option is D. Chlorophyll A is present in antenna complex while chlorophyll B is in a reaction center. The next MCQ is location of white hole tail of chlorophyll B is stroma, B thylakoid membrane, C thylakoid surface, and D thylakoid lumen. So the correct option is B, thylakoid membrane. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.